Welcome back, everybody. We're going to talk again today about the type of blocks that we make here at Terrannova. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and then please continue to give us comments on some of the video that we post or questions that you may have. So here at Terrannova, we usually make basic standard block, but we also make different blocks for construction. So for instance, we make these blocks with patterns, and these blocks, this particular block is a U block. And if you're very familiar with this block, you know exactly what the use of this block is for. But this is a U block, and we have blocks with patterns on it. And as we do have the U block, the size, this is a 25 by 12.5 over 10. Donc 10 x 15, 25 de longueur. So we make these blocks here at Terrannova. This is a U block, and because we make the U block, we also make a whole block. You see? So this block is different from that. These are completely different blocks, but with the same design. So if you are building with this block, once you place the block down, you lay the other one right on top. Or as these blocks work, you place it just like that, and it's the same pattern. Nobody would ever know the difference. So we make these blocks here. Another block that we make of the same size is a half block. Donc this is half of that block. So when you are in a corner, you can make a half a block, turning it this way, half a block there to finish your wall. Instead of having to cut the block, we produce a half a block for that. We also make different pattern on it. This is a flower, and that's an elephant. So at the moment, we can make this in orders. So if you have a specific order that you want, or a specific pattern that you want, you just place that order, and then we'll try and work with you on making that happen. Now for our regular blocks, we make these half a block for our regular size blocks. As you can see on one of the previous video, I stated that the color of the block changes depending on the type of soil that we use. So this is the standard block that we usually make here at Terrannova. This block is 30 over 10 by 15. So 30 centimeters long, 15 wide, and 10 height. And this is usually what we make here at Terrannova. And of course, for those who like this particular pattern, we can make that, or we also make a whole block. And what do I mean by that? This is a whole block. It's flat in every surface. Unlike this one, this block is flat. So if you want to build a house and you have corners, most of the time you may not want to have this visible. So you may need a flat block and just lay it across. Let me move these blocks. So when you lay your block and you place a flat block, this is what you get. You get a flat surface in every corner and a flat surface here. And then you just use the flat block at every corner, and then you can continue using your block with this particular opening on the rest of your wall. So give me 1 second. So what the flat block does is that for those people who do not want to use this block at the corner and want their wall flat, you can just use a flat block just like that, and then every corner of the wall will be flat, and then they can just continue using this block right there in the middle of their wall. You will never notice it. So this is basically what we do. And of course, like the other blocks that we make, we have the U block. If you're familiar with the block, again, you know what the U block is used for. We have a closed U block. Same thing for the corners. It's closed every corner, so we can, you know, just an example, continue with this block and with the U block, just right there. And then there you go. The corners are completely closed, and then you got your U block. You have this particular piece to close your wall. Most blocks with the opening like this, you are gonna have to come and put a piece of plywood. Once you pour your concrete, the concrete will be visible in this area. So what this block allows you to do is to close the visibility of that concrete, so you can no longer see the concrete in your wall. It's completely shut, and you can just open this area and continue with another U block if you would like. So this is pretty much what we do here, and these are the different type of blocks that we make here at Terrannova Briques. Once we get some new machines, some new equipment, and we get the quality of the material that we need, we will make that available as well. So if you would like to get in contact with us, and if you would like to get some of these blocks, please make sure you call us by phone, WhatsApp, or email. You can even send some comments on YouTube, but preferably on Facebook. I think on Facebook we get them a little bit much faster, and if you also send us messages on WhatsApp, we usually try to reply as quickly as possible. YouTube, not so much, but WhatsApp, Facebook, just, or on the phone numbers that are going at the bottom of the screen, we'll sure respond and reply to your inquiries. Thank you again for watching our video. Hope that you liked it and you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, please do not be afraid to address it, and then we'll try our best to reply to some of your questions. Thank you.